Hello everybody, welcome back to SV Handmaids, and this is Shiba Vivek. So before we actually get into the video, if you are watching my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel, like my videos and leave your valuable comments. And so whenever I post a new video, you will be notified if you hit the bell icon while you subscribe. So, those who are already following my channel, you might be knowing that I entered into a cooperation with Beads, and this is my third video for them. So, I have already posted the unboxing and the necklace tutorial, so you might check that out in the description. So, our today's video is going to be a memory wire bracelet with the blue regalite beads from Beads. So before we start stringing, let's first cut out the required length of our memory wire. About 3 to 4 rings will be sufficient. So let's first make a small loop at the end of the memory wire so that as we are stringing, the beads will not fall out from the other side. So this loop you can use to hang your charms. So before we actually start stringing, it's a good idea to arrange your beads in the design that you want. So I'm using these regalite. These are really very pretty with cobalt blue, turquoise, and silver streaks in them. So I'm going to use a gold toned bead cap. Bead cap will be at both the sides of the regalite bead, and also I'm using some faceted crystals which are really shiny. And as filler beads, I'm using blue colored seed beads and also glass beads that are clear, dark blue, and also some turquoise colored ones. So these will be filler in between the regalite and the crystals. So this is the charm that I'm going to use to hang from the loop that we created. So let's get to stringing the beads. So as you have arranged everything already on the bead board, this is going to be easy. This crystal looks really pretty. It's neither a square nor a circle. They're kind of faceted and very glittery and shiny. So let me bead these really quick. As you are stringing, make sure to check in between if you are doing it the right order, because once you finish up the whole thing and you find something is wrong, then you have to do all over again. So in between, keep checking if you are doing your design correctly. So I added two sets of the glass beads in between the regalite beads. So once the two sets of glass beads are done, then again start stringing your same pattern of your crystal and regalite. To make your work more easier, you can even use a tool to hold down your wire so that you can see as you're stringing. You can see how the arrangement of the beads is happening as you're stringing along. So if you like the beads that I'm using, you may check out the website of Co Beads. They have a wide variety of materials, and I'll share my discount code in the description box. You may use them to get a discount on your purchase. We are almost done with the stringing. So before you close the loop on the other side, make sure your design is all perfect. And then once you're satisfied with the design, you may close your loop and then add your charm to one of the loops. This memory wire bracelets are an excellent option. Those who are worried about the size, this one size fits all, so it's very easy to wear as well as remove them. So hope you like my bracelet design today. So if you enjoyed watching my tutorial, do like, subscribe and comment. I will be happy to read your comments. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.